trapezoid WKRP was translated 4 units to the left and 5 units up on a coordinate grid to create trapezoid W prime, K prime, R prime, P prime. Which rule describes this transformation? We're looking at translations, so let's talk a little bit about translations and what exactly that means. So we're looking at a value change. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take a point at the origin, which is 0, 0, and we're going to move it around and see what rules apply to whether we're moving left, moving right, moving up, or moving down inside a coordinate grid. So first, let's go left. Looking at moving left, we're going from a value. Remember, we're starting from the origin. So we're going -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. We're getting lower in value. Our value is decreasing. So that will indicate in our rule that subtraction is happening. Moving to the right, it's an opposite process. It'll look very similar, only it will be increasing in value. When we increase in value, we're looking at addition. We're looking up and down now along the y-axis in a coordinate grid. If we go up, we're starting at 0, and we're going to add up. It's going to increase in value, so moving up will be addition. And the inverse, moving down, we will be moving down in value, which will indicate subtraction as another opposite process. So our problem says that we're going to move 4 units left, which would be on the x, because left and right is the x-axis, and 5 units up on the y, because the y-axis is up and down. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go 4 units left. According to our chart, left is subtraction. So we will be going left in our problem. And we're going to go up on the y second, which will be our y. So when we go up in the coordinate grid, like we just talked about, it will be addition. So let's go through and look at our answer choices. First one, let's go left. Left will be subtraction. So looking at our answer choices, we went left 4 units, so it means we will subtract 4. And it looks like those are the only 2 answer choices, A and D, that fit that part of the rule. So we can eliminate B and C. Then let's go up. We're going up. Looking at our chart, going up indicates addition in our coordinate grid. We're going up, so addition would be y plus 5, not y minus 5 like it says in choice D. That makes choice D incorrect, which will leave us with x minus 4, y plus 5 as our answer to number 1.